Math Heroes! I am Sir Ike, the Professor. Are you in full gear superhero mode? Are you wearing your Mathastick face mask? I hope you do, because you will be facing a lot of adventures together with the Mathastick 5. Math Heroes, for today's episode, we need you more than ever. You will apply what you have learned from the previous lessons about the divisibility rules. After going through this lesson, you are expected to gain another superpower of solving routine and non-routine problems involving factors, multiples, and divisibility rules for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. I know you can do it. Just remember, you are a math superhero and anything is possible. Are you ready for a brand new adventure? Hold on tight. Let's begin the journey with the amazing Super Driller.
Hello, Math Heroes! Welcome back to another math adventure. I am Super Driller, your review hero. For today's drill, you will identify whether a number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, or 12. You need to remember and master all the divisibility rules all at once. I will show you 3 sets of tables and you need to check if the numbers are divisible by the numbers in the first column. Write your answers on your paper. Are you ready? For the first set, you have 20 seconds. Math Heroes, your time starts now. Time's up! Let's check. Of the 3 numbers, what numbers are divisible by 2? The answers are 128 and 5,320. Next, of the 3 numbers, what numbers are divisible by 5? The answers are 4,510 and 1,515. Finally, of the 3 numbers, which numbers are divisible by 10? The answers are 690 and 420. Let's proceed with set B. Check whether the number is divisible by 3, 6, or 9. Your 20 seconds starts now. Time's up! Of the 3 numbers, what numbers are divisible by 3? The answers are 456 and 504. Next, of the 3 numbers, what numbers are divisible by 6? The answers are 318 and 498. Finally, of the 3 numbers, which numbers are divisible by 9? The answers are 180 and 369. Let's proceed to set C. Check whether the number is divisible by 4, 8, 12, or 11. Your 20 seconds starts now. Time's up! Of the 3 numbers, what numbers are divisible by 4? The answers are 136 and 268. Next, of the 3 numbers, what numbers are divisible by 8? The answers are 512 and 728. Third, of the 3 numbers, which numbers are divisible by 12? The answers are 1,620, and 12,300. Finally, of the three numbers, which numbers are divisible by 11? The answers are 14,850 and 18,216. I hope you got all the right answers, math heroes. Just remember, practice makes perfect. See you on your next quest. Up, up, and away!
There you go, math heroes! Wow, you are impressive since day one. I hope you enjoy watching all our math adventures while holding your modules. Together, we will conquer the math universe. Coming up next is your favorite math adventure time. It's not a plane, it's not a bird, it's Super Math.
I have traveled across the galaxy with a mission to share the most incredible stories to help you understand math better. Math heroes, let me tell you today's math adventure. Last week, during Ricky the Super Kid's birthday party, Ricky and his friends had the best time of their lives playing The Boat is Sinking, eating delicious food and drinking lots of bottled water. At dawn, after the party was over, Ricky the Super Kid collected 60 used bottle caps. Instead of throwing them, he recycled and painted them with different colors. He wanted to share the 60 bottle caps evenly to the groups of children playing in a nearby plaza. But Ricky doesn't know how to divide the recycled bottle caps evenly to the groups of children. How many possible numbers of groups of children will be given bottle caps? Let's find out and help Ricky count.
Math heroes, we will be solving routine and non-routine problems using the divisibility rules for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. But let me ask you, what is a routine and a non-routine problem? A routine problem is a type of problem in which there is an immediate solution and no hidden questions. This type of problem is much easier compared to non-routine problems. Why? Because a non-routine problem is any complex problem. Oftentimes, these problems can be solved in multiple ways. Now, let's go back to our story. Before we can solve any type of problem, we need first to identify the different steps in solving word problems. What are they? Let's begin with step 1. Read and understand the problem. The first thing to do in solving word problem is to understand. For you to be able to understand the problem, you must consider the following questions. Number 1, what is asked in the problem? Number 2, what is or are given? And number 3, what is the word clue or hidden question? Step 2, make a plan. In planning, you must consider the following. Number 1, what operation will be used? Number 2, what is the number sentence? Step 3, carry out the plan. That means you are going to solve for the answer, and step 4, look back. Check whether the answer is correct or not. Put a label in your final answer. Where are you going to get that label? In the what is asked. In the story of Supermath, after we understand the problem, we are going to proceed with question number 1. What is or are asked in the problem? The possible numbers of groups of children who can be given bottle caps. Question number 2. What is or are the given facts in the problem? In the story, the given is 60 bottle caps. Question number 3. What is the word clue? Divide. The second step in solving word problem is to plan, or think of a strategy on how to solve the word problem. In the problem, we can use the divisibility rules to find out if how many possible numbers of groups of children can be given bottle cups recycled by Super Kid Ricky. The third step is to solve. Let's solve how many numbers can we use to divide 60 evenly or without a remainder. Is 60 divisible by 2? Since 60 ends with 0, it is divisible by 2. And by dividing 60 by 2, we get 30. That means 2 and 30 are factors of 60. Let's list them down. Next, is 60 divisible by 3? Since 6 plus 0 is equal to 6 and 6 is divisible by 3, the answer is yes. 60 divided by 3, we get 20. Therefore, 3 and 20 are also factors of 60. Is 60 divisible by 4? The answer is super yes. 60 divided by 4 is equal to 15. So we have 4 and 15 as additional factors. Is 60 divisible by 5? Also a big yes. Since 60 ends with 0, 60 divided by 5 is 12. Therefore, 5 and 12 are factors of 60. Is 60 divisible by 6? Since 60 is divisible by 2 and 3, therefore, the answer is yes. Is 60 divisible by 8? Based on the divisibility rule of 8, the answer is no. Is 60 divisible by 9? The answer is no, because if we add 6 plus 0, the answer is 6, and it is not divisible by 9. Also, 60 is not a multiple of 9. Is 60 divisible by 10? 60 ends with 0, so yes. Is 60 divisible by 11? Based on the divisibility rule of 11, the answer is no. And lastly, is 60 divisible by 12? Well, since 60 is divisible by 3 and 4, then the answer is yes. There you go, math heroes! Therefore, Ricky can divide his 60 bottle caps evenly in the following: 2 groups of children with 30 members each, 3 groups of children with 20 members, 4 groups of children with 15 members, 5 groups of children with 12 members, 6 groups of children with 10 members, 10 groups of children with 6 members, and 12 groups of children with 5 members, 15 groups of children with 4 members, 20 groups of children with 3 members, and 30 groups of children with 2 members. The last step is to check if our answers are correct. We can do it by finding all the factors of 60 except 1 and the number itself. Can you name all of them? Let me help you. The factors of 60 are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, and 30. So there you have it, math heroes. If we exclude 1 and 60 as factors, our super kid Ricky has 10 possible ways in dividing his bottle caps evenly to the groups of children playing in the plaza. This time, let's have more drills. And you know who is coming. It's the amazing Super Driller!
It's me, the Super Driller. Ready your pens and papers. Let's begin the Super Driller task. You have 20 seconds to answer this word problem. Teacher Clea has to split her class of 36 pupils into different groups with an equal number of members. In how many ways can she group her pupils without excess? Your super time starts now. Time's up! Let us discuss the problem. Here are the steps in analyzing and solving word problems. Step 1. Read and understand the problem. Question 1. What is asked? In this case, the problem is asking for the number of ways to group the pupils equally. Question 2. What is or are the given facts? The problem has given only one number, 36 pupils. Step 2. Make a plan. Consider what operation will be used. In this case, we will be using factoring method. Step 3. Solve. You have to find the factors of 36, except 1 and itself. In this case, the factors of 36 are 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, and 18. Therefore, Teacher Clea has 7 possible ways to group her pupils without any excess. Finally, let's check if your answers are correct. To check, you can do it using the divisibility rules. Is 36 divisible by 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, and 18? The answer is yes. 36 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, and 18. Therefore, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, and 18 are the factors of 36, excluding 1 and the number itself. Did you get all the right answers? That's great! See you in your next drill. Up, up, and away!
Wow! That was a tough lesson, but I believe in you, math heroes. Aside from learning, we also understood the importance of sharing and helping. The Matastic 5 heroes will be with you all the way, so don't forget to help others as well. This time, let's wonder together with our Wonder Hero, the Wonder Woman.
Hello, math heroes! I heard you're all doing well. I wonder if you have mastered the skills. Can you still remember the difference between routine and non-routine problems? How about the steps in solving word problems? Well, let's see. What is a routine and a non-routine problem? A routine problem is a type of problem which there is an immediate solution and no hidden questions, while non-routine problem is any complex problem. Oftentimes, these problems can be solved in multiple ways. Great job! But I wonder if you know the steps in solving word problems. What is the first step in solving word problems? The first thing to do in solving word problem is to understand. Question number 1. Answer what is asked. Question number 2. Find what is or are the given facts. Question number 3. What is the word clue or hidden question? After understanding the problem, you need to plan. This brings us to step number 2. For step number 2, you need to think of a strategy on how to solve the problem. Question number 1. What operation will be used? Question number 2. What is the number sentence? The third step is to solve. And the last step is to check. Check whether your answer is correct. Great job! All my wonders have been answered. See you again, and remember, never lose your sense of wonder. Up, up, and away!
Math heroes, I know that you already learned a lot. However, the job is not yet finished. You are now in your final quest with the lightning fast with math task. It's time for the lightning thinking with the brainstorm.
Math heroes, let's begin the superpower thinking. Ready your pens and papers and answer this storm lightning task. Math heroes, read carefully each item. Write the letter of your answer on your paper. You have 10 seconds to answer each item. Number 1. Which of the following numbers is divisible by 3, 4, and 12? A. 384. B. 834. C. 438. Or D. 364. The answer is A. 384. Number 2. Which of the following numbers is divisible by 12? A. 256. B. 312. C. 519 and D. 822. The answer is B. 312. Number 3. I have a number. This number is divisible by 11. If you get the sum of its digits, the result is 6. What is my number? A. 150. B. 204. C. 231. Or D. 321. The answer is C. 231. Number 4. My father's age is greater than 40, but less than 50. His age is divisible by 2, 4, 8, and 12. How old is my father? A. 42. B. 44. C. 46. Or D. 48. The answer is D. 48. Did you get all the right answers? That's great! Congratulations, math heroes! We will see each other in your next quest. Up, up, and away!
Math heroes, I am super amazed with your performances today. Just keep on studying your modules and don't be shy to call or text your superhero teacher in school if you need help. For now, look around. Someone may be taking a picture of you. It's time for the Bat Math.
After searching every corner of the universe, I present you the Math Hero of the Day, Kian Carril de la Cruz. Special Science Class, Silay South Elementary School, District 1, Division of Silay. Show us your true power by sending your picture while watching our Mathtastic 5 episodes in our Facebook page. Just search Mathtastic 5 or post your photos with a hashtag Mathtastic Hero and be featured in our next Mathtastic 5 episodes. Watch out for updates on the social media pages of DepEd TV channel. I am Batmath, and I will find you.
Are you the next math hero? Catch all our episodes here in DepEd TV and be a part of the Heroes League with the Remarkable 5. As always, this is Sir Ike, the Professor. Mathtastic 5, assemble!